Hello and welcome back. So we're going to make something a little bit different today. A colleague at work's asked me to make this, whatever it is, for him. I think he's ex-army or Air Force, maybe Air Force or something, because he wants me to make like this winged light bulb thing. So I don't know if he was sort of, I don't know, like a light fitter or electrician or something in the Air Force. But yeah, we're just going to make it out of basically where you see the white lines. That's where there's going to be some steel bar. He wants it to go over his like shed pub thing. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. It's going to end up being about, I don't know, 600mm wide by just under 300 high. So it'll be a fairly sizable thing. As you can see then, we've got the light bulb, or whatever it is, sort of welded up. It's a bit rough at the moment. There's a lot of finish work to be done, and that is, what is it? 27.5 centimeters. So yeah, you have the wing things either side of that, and it will look quite good, I think. Okay, so I've just welded the, that is warm, welded these parts on here. I've got to go out now, so I'm going to leave it to cool. I'll come back and do the these flourishes under here and all the rest of it. We're slowly getting there. So we're slowly getting there. Welded these in now, although this is back to front. Welded it all in. That is warm, and yeah, we're cracking on. So next thing will be to put the, I don't know, the wingy bits in here, get them done in, and then we're pretty much home. Just razz it off with the wire wheel, touch up any like obscene welds and any like we're gonna have to redo down here, but yeah, and then prime and spray and give it to the bloke. So if you haven't already, just click the bell icon and like and subscribe and put comments in. It really does help. It also means a lot as well. It's not just some guff that people say when they, you know, when you're knocking out these videos. It does mean a lot. Please comment, please subscribe, if you'd like to, obviously, if you feel like fun it. Come along for the ride. It costs you nothing, you might as well anyway. So yeah, next bit then, we'll get these in and it should be good. Hopefully you can hear me over the whine of the welder. I've just I've changed from, you know, like ferrous filler material to brazed TIG brazing rod. This side all ready for a bit of TIG brazing action. Yeah, so that's all this side now brazed in. Just need to get these little beauties to fit. It's a little bit warm to be doing that with. Basically, I left the regulator to my gas bottle open and it just vented all the argon to the atmosphere, so that was super amazing. It just needs to be finished. Such fun. And here we have it, the final piece. I've primed it, sprayed it black and then lacquered it as well. I'm going to give it one more final lacquer before I hand it over to the bloke. Just a massive thanks to the people that subscribe. You know, there's like 28 now. That's like huge numbers. Yeah, if you were going to do this, let us know what material you'd use and how you'd go about it. I think if I was going to do it again, I'd just do this outer light bulb bit all in one bend. I mean, you could almost then bend these bits in as well. I don't know. Chuck a comment in the doobly-doo and let us know what you would have done. The stickers are still up for grabs, so if you fancy winning yourself some of them for free, all you got to do is subscribe and chuck a comment in. Right, latest taters.